Here we go. It has a rear door, but I'm not going to open it.
Like popcorn.
This is my first time I've been to Crozet.
What?
I know. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be.
Wait, I didn't know what.
Oh, there's another window over here.
Is it?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
It says it's locked. This is a senior living building. Kind of strange to see a high-rise out here in the middle of nowhere. I'm not going to try going out there. This is a nice building.
Your roommate? You know why? What? Got two of them on that. Yeah.
Y'all have a good day now.
Okay. All right.
Bye.
That don't make sense, did it?
That door stays open forever. Actually, I'm going to end on 2. Watch the button. There it goes. Phone. No phone. Man, that thing takes forever. Hi. It's really strange that elevators don't go to ground level. I rode the other one up and it didn't go to the basement. They both just go to 1. And this is Crozet, a town that has a lot more in it than I thought it would. I didn't even think this would be a town, just like a blip on the map. There is the square, coffee house, Fardowners, that's where I had lunch, hardware store, and here's the railroad track. Crozet, by the way, is between, it's kind of between Charlottesville and Roanoke. I'm on the way home from visiting Andrew and Jacob. If you know where Afton Mountain is, it's right in that area. There's Dairy Queen and a BP. And there's the other end of town. There's the famous Crozet Pizza. Okay, we're still in Crozet. This is the old train station. And look what we have coming around the corner here. coal cars. Tell you what, let's go walk under the bridge while the train's passing. Rail car after rail car. You see anything? Oh, there it is over there. Unfortunately, we can't get a good view of it from down here. It's all trees off to that direction. Let's see if I can climb up here and catch the end of it. Bear with me while I jog a little bit. Oops, missed it. Oh well. So, there's the old library that's gonna be closed down. Crozet Library. And that was our quick little tour of Crozet. So that will be it.